so what we'll do is accelerate, take it through there, and then I'm gonna accelerate out to 60 and then slam on the brakes. So you can see how good the end brakes are already.
All right.
Today I get to go for an awesome ride in this 2018 BMW M2, and I'm taking you with me. First, a little bit of background on the BMW M2. It's powered by BMW's twin-power turbocharged inline-six engine, which puts out 365 horsepower and 343 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 is in just 4.1 seconds, and it lapped the Nürburgring in just 7 minutes and 58 seconds, which is incredible for a car with less than 400 horsepower, so I'm sure it's got some very impressive driving dynamics to it. So let's hop in and find out what it's like to experience this car on the road.
That stop sign there, it makes like a swift right, and then so what we'll do is accelerate, take it through there, and then I'm gonna accelerate out to 60 and then slam on the brakes. So you can see how good the end brakes are already.
All right. That is awesome.
That's why I love the M2.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there you have my full riding video in the 2018 BMW M2. If you're into ride-alongs like this with the sort of point of view style, make sure to check out my McLaren 720S ride right there. But also make sure to like this video, comment below, and go ahead and check out my channel because I've got a ton of exotic supercar and hypercar reviews up. So remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.